Hello, my name is Marc Parrish, and I'm here to speak with you all to show you how to use a SMARTBoard when introducing and discussing math problems. In this case, we'll be in a middle school math classroom. So the first thing that we're going to do is explore with some geometric shapes. We're actually going to be creating some triangles on here, which is a very simple tool to create a right triangle, and we're going to be putting some side links on this triangle. And the reason why we're going to do that is we're going to study the Pythagorean theorem. So we could very easily label the base and the height of this triangle, and we're going to now figure out, well, what is the length of the hypotenuse? Now, on previous notes, we can simply go here and refer to a previous page, and we can see that the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, when a and b are as such and c is the hypotenuse. So, going back to our next screen to apply these notes, we can calculate this knowing that c squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. And then continue with the math, we can illustrate that it's equal to 9 plus squared plus 16, which is equal to 25, and then taking the square root of both sides, c equals 5. And a great feature of the SMARTBoard is once you're done with the notes for the day, and this is very useful for students that are absent, we can just go onto this menu button located right by the power, take a capture of it. It's captured right now, and it's going to be saved. It'll be present for any student who missed the day and needs to catch the next day's notes.
Hi, I'm Anthony Longoria, and I'm going to demonstrate using this SMARTBoard in a language arts classroom. So, I have here the Poetry Archive, Gwendolyn Brooks' immortal poem, We Real Cool. So in the language arts classroom, I would project this and annotate the poem along with the students to point out some key points. So the title is We Real Cool. I would point out the repetition of we at the end of each line. And also what's great about this is we can save the annotations, and since I'm on a web page, I can also just touch the interface and go back to the Poetry Archives page on Gwendolyn Brooks, and we can scroll down and read all of the information on Gwendolyn Brooks. So this is just a short application of how I would use the SMARTBoard in a language arts classroom.